Most people that use Claude aren't using one of the most powerful parts of Claude, which is called Claude Artifacts. So in this video, I want to show you what artifacts are, what you can do with them, and I want to show you multiple different examples how to build one from scratch. Now, you could access this on the Claude website and on the Claude app. You'll see an option called Artifacts over here, and you'll see any that you created in the past. But what Artifacts lets you do is they let you build things and create things without actually writing any type of code. You don't have to be technical at all to create these type of things. So with Artifacts, you could create entire apps that live on the web. You could create entire websites. They also create documents that are easily editable and shareable. They create games, they create tools of all kind. I'm gonna show you an example of this one. You could use it for creative projects, you could create quizzes and surveys, and pretty much anything else that you could build on the web, you could use Artifacts to build them, and you could just start from scratch with this option. Now, the other way you could build it is you could just go to a new chat and you could ask it to build something for you, and it usually will choose Artifact on its own and create an artifact. Once I show you some examples of what artifacts actually turn out to be, I think it'd be a lot more clear what these are capable of. So I'll show you a few different examples. I'll show you a personal example here, and then we'll look at some work examples. So for the very first one, let's build a vacation planner. And my prompt is gonna say, create a family vacation planner artifact for a 5-day trip to Orlando. Include a daily itinerary, budget estimate, packing checklist, restaurant ideas, and notes. Now, Claude already has access to the web and is going to be able to create this on its own without you having to know anything technical. Now, if you don't say the word artifact, it will usually still create an artifact, but just to be sure, I like to do this so you don't get a chat response here, and I'll go ahead and send this out. Now, in a couple of minutes, you have an entirely different kind of output from Claude. So you didn't get an answer in chat like you typically do. It actually opened up a separate window here, and it gave me everything that I had asked for. So right here, I have my 5 days planned out here. I have a cost estimate here. I have a packing list. I have where to eat. All that is laid out with some additional notes. And I could go ahead and expand this and view this full screen. And this is fully shareable, and I'll show you exactly how to share these with our next example. But the best part of this is actually the ability to edit these, and it will just edit this version of it. So the first one you get might not be everything you wanted. Maybe you forgot to include something in your prompt. So I'm gonna do a quick follow-up down here, and I'm gonna ask it to create a version that's more family-friendly with activities for young kids here. And as you could see, it revised the same one here inside of the same chat. If I want to go back to the previous one, it's still up here, but now I got a brand new one, and this one looks a lot more kid-friendly here. Even changed some of the colors here, but it still has all the core things that we needed from our initial prompt. Okay, let's jump in and create the next one. This one, I want to show you how to create a business dashboard here. And again, we're going to do it in chat. I almost never go to the Artifacts tab to create them because you could just start with a basic prompt and just ask it to create that as an artifact to start. And I also wanted to share this free resource with you. This is the complete guide to Claude AI. Now, I know we're only covering Claude artifacts in this video, but this guide is a comprehensive guide so you could get the most out of Claude. So it walks you through getting started with Claude, but it covers some of the best parts of Claude. It has an entire section dedicated to projects. Projects will really organize your Claude account and help you get a lot more out of it. The section on artifacts actually is a perfect fit for this video because it's going to give you real world use cases here with exact prompts that you could copy and paste to create lots of different things with artifacts. And it goes beyond just the basics too. So it has an entire section dedicated to advanced implementation. So it's a full AI guide for Claude. It's completely free. I'll put a link in the description so you could access it. Okay, for this next one, let's go ahead and create a business dashboard. I want to show you a couple of different things with this one. First, we're just going to create it with a prompt. So I'm going to ask it to create a business dashboard that tracks revenue, expenses, leads, customers, and profits. Now, you could do this with a prompt and it'll just give you a template, or you could actually upload something like a CSV file that has all those numbers and it will turn it into the dashboard. So I'm going to show you both. Let me quickly create this one first. And this created this artifact for us. And as you notice here, I didn't mention the word artifact, and it's still new to create it in this artifact format. If it answers you in chat, all you have to say is turn this response into an artifact and it'll give it to you in this kind of view. Now, This is good, but it's made up all these numbers. They're just placeholders. I'll have to do some revisions here for it to actually give me the numbers that are the right numbers for this business. So the other thing you could do is you could actually upload, let's say, an Excel sheet or a CSV. I actually have this Excel sheet as a demo here. So this has every month, it has revenue, expense, leads, and customers. So I don't have to do this as a follow-up. I already created this. This is typically how a lot of businesses keep track of things. But if you want to share this with other people, a lot of times those spreadsheets could be messy. They're not really well organized. But I could upload that file here. Now I could just say, turn this into a dashboard. Now this created this new dashboard for us. Now this has all the right numbers, and I could use these filters here if I want to see the things by month, or if I want to just see the full year here, and it's really useful. Now, the thing I didn't show you yet is these are shareable. That's the really useful parts about them, because now I want to share this with my team instead of that spreadsheet. So all I have to do is go up here and I just need to publish this artifact. What it does is it publishes it to a web. And if you have a Teams plan inside of Claude, you could also share it just with your team. This keeps it private. This keeps it public here only if someone has that link. So if I click this right here, it generates this link. I just have to copy this link. And if I don't want to keep this public, I could always come back to this chat and unpublish it here. But let me paste this URL here. And this is what that artifact looks like with that web link. And it looks great on mobile too. So if you look at it on your phone, it's nicely mobile optimized. And you could also create interactive tools as well. So create a debt payoff calculator where I enter balances, interest rate, and monthly payments. And this is a good example, actually. This time it created this inside of chat, and it's completely usable here inside of chat, and everything is fully editable. But all I have to do now is say, turn this into an artifact, because this is not easily shareable. It's useful for you, but if you wanted to share this with other people, you can share it as a chat, but the artifacts are far easier because you get that link that anyone could go to. Now I got this artifact, everything is fully interactive here, and you'll update it. And again, I could just go ahead and publish this and share it with whoever I want. And remember, these are just chats. So anytime you could come back to this chat, you could use this, you could build on it here. And if you want to, you could pin this chat so it just always shows up on top so it doesn't get lost in your recent chats. And you could always make any changes to it that you want. Now, with that free resource I mentioned, you get a lot of different examples for artifacts, including prompts to build them. So I definitely recommend you grab that. And when you combine artifacts with Claude skills, things get really interesting, because with skills, you could tell how artifacts should look. So a dashboard always looks consistent. A website, a presentation always looks consistent with Claude skills. I made a video all about Claude skills that I recommend you watch next. Thanks for watching this one.